Look at yourself. Really look. That man in the mirror, the one who's been drifting, numb, trapped in the same dead-end cycles. Is that really you? Or just a ghost of the man you could be? The man who settles for burnout relationships, half-lived dreams, and a life that feels like a slow decay. Wake up. This isn't who you are. This is who you've allowed yourself to become. But today, we burn that ghost to ash. Your past isn't a scar, it's a chain. Those old failures, the rejections that still haunt you at 3 a.m., the people who left you bleeding in the dirt, they're not your story, they're kindling. Marcus Aurelius said, "The past is a corpse, stop feeding it." That ex who shattered you, the job that crushed your spirit, the mistakes that whisper, "You're not enough," burn them, all of them. Here's the truth. You're not the man who failed. You're not the man who got betrayed. You're the man who survived. And survival is just the first step. Now it's time to thrive. Cut the cords. Tear up the contracts you signed with regret. Let the fire purify every lie you've believed about yourself. Your past isn't your burden. It's your fuel. Burn it. Rise. Most people fear starting over. They cling to broken paths like safety blankets. But you're not most people. Seneca said it best. Difficulty is the fire where legends forge their souls. That job loss, that betrayal, that rock bottom, they're not your end. They're your foundation. Think of the phoenix. It doesn't weep as it burns. It revels in the flames because it knows destruction is just the universe's way of saying, build something better. Your old life is rubble. Good. Now pick up the bricks. Rebuild yourself, not as the man you were, but as the man you're meant to be. Stronger, wiser, unshakable. This isn't a restart, it's a revolution. Let's get brutal. The world wants you distracted, scattered, addicted to the dopamine drip of likes, drama, and empty noise. But you're not here to click, you're here to conquer. Epictetus warned, wealth isn't having more, it's wanting less. Cut the clutter. Burn every distraction that doesn't serve your purpose. Your mission isn't a hobby, it's a war. 0 inches. Let the world scream. Let the doubters laugh. Let the fear claw at your chest. Your focus is a blade, and it cuts deeper with every strike. Ask yourself, what's worth your life? Your energy? Your soul? That's your target. Everything else? Noise. Silence it. Your energy isn't a resource, it's your currency. And right now, you're bankrupting yourself on people who don't deserve a dime. The friend who drains you with drama, the partner who dims your light, the mindless scroll that steals your focus. They're not just distractions, they're thieves. Here's the stoic truth. You control who accesses you, not them, you. So cut the leeches. No apologies, no explanations, just silence. When you protect your energy, something shifts. The fog lifts, the weight drops, and you realize you've been carrying corpses. Bury them. Your fire burns brighter alone than it ever did in a crowd. Motivation is for amateurs. Discipline? That's the language of titans. You think Marcus Aurelius felt like ruling an empire every day? That David Goggins wanted to run on broken legs? Number, they chose to. Because discipline isn't a feeling, it's a decision. Your bed is too warm. Get up. Your mind begs for excuses. Push harder. The world says, quit, laugh. Pain isn't your enemy, it's your mentor. Every rep, every rejection, every 5 a.m. alarm is a chisel strike, sculpting you into something the world can't ignore. You don't need motivation, you need obsession, the kind that terrifies ordinary men, the kind that turns impossible into, I did it, ignite it. This is your rebirth, not a promise, not a dream, a command. Smash like if you're done being a ghost. Subscribe, because tomorrow's video will weaponize your pain. Comment, Unbreakable. Let's see how many warriors are rising. The world doesn't need another lost soul. It needs you, relentless, focused, unstoppable. Burn the old. Protect your fire. Rise.